Since the pandemic, majority of people have gained weight because of long sitting art, lack of exercise, lack of activities, lack of walking has created a great problem. And so we should know that management of weight is a very important factor. Overweight or underweight, both can create lots of health issues. Losing weight seems difficult. But let me tell you, it is not that difficult. All you need is strong willpower and dedication. Today, I will share an excellent morning routine that would shed extra weight in a very natural and healthy way. First, start with a weight loss drink. Many people begin their day with a cup of tea or coffee. Is this a healthier way to start your day with these caffeinated drinks? No, instead you should start with a healthy drink which would help to boost your immunity level and help burning excess fat. Here are a few easy-to-make drinks for weight loss. First, lemon water with chia seed. It's an excellent drink to accelerate the pace of your weight loss program. Soak half teaspoonful of chia seeds overnight, or for an hour in the morning. Then take a glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, mix well, and then add soaked chia seed in this. Bring this on an empty stomach. Chia seed has a satiating quality. They keep you full for a longer time, and that's why it prevents you from overeating. While lemon water helps with fat burning. Second, apple and cinnamon detox water. This is an excellent fat-burning drink, especially in summer. You can even add a teaspoonful of apple cider vinegar, and this would increase its fat-burning process. Cinnamon increases your metabolism naturally, while apple keeps you saturated. Third, jeera water. This water in the morning can help you improve your digestion. A healthy digestive system is the first step to lose your excess weight. It also promotes better metabolism. So to make this, take 1 teaspoonful of jeera and soak it overnight in a glass of water, boil it for 3 to 5 minutes in the morning, strain, and drink it. After having a weight loss drink, go for a brisk walk. Walking can help you lose weight. Walk for 30 to 45 minutes every day in the morning with a fast pace. Walking before breakfast can also assist your body to learn to use fat. But as an energy source for your workout, then the carbohydrate you just ate for breakfast. Also, exposure to morning sunlight is linked to lose weight. So take an early morning walk to get all the benefits to lose weight effectively. Third, practice as to tone the body after walking. Practice yoga, ACEs, at least for 20 minutes. Yoga ascents help you to gain muscle strength and flexibility, and also help to burn excessive calories. The dynamic ascents are excellent to work on targeted area, and they also help in toning your overall body. Practice asana like kg and its variations. Veer Bura series, known Andre side variation, and Durabhakan. Regular relax for 5 minutes. After you have completed this intense asana series, lie down in shan and consciously relax every part of your body. This would help you returning back to normal and feel energized throughout the day. Fourth one, eat protein-rich breakfast. It is important to start your day with nutritious break. A protein-rich breakfast will help you to keep satisfied and energized throughout the day, preventing you from overindulging in junk food. Proteins are heavy, little difficult to digest. That's why you will not get so heavily hungry throughout the day. Protein can help reduce muscle loss, and that maintains a high metabolic rate. As you decrease your body fat for breakfast, you should have oatmeal with banana. You can also have nuts and seeds to the bowl of oatmeal. Another dish could be mal silla with pen stuffing. Another dish could be multi-grain dosa, with ragi jar, and bad tofu, and panbji, are all easy to make good breakfast. So follow this morning healthy routine if you want to lose weight effectively. And naturally, if you stick to this routine, you would automatically avoid overeating throughout the day. Also, you will remain alert, focused, very much aware throughout the day to manage your weight loss program. So try and just put your effort, and you will definitely succeed in your goal.